hold on. There's a reason I'm sharing this with you. Watch the whole video. Trust me, you're going to want to see this. So, somebody commented on the scammers YouTube channel, and this is one of the loser fat F's that stalks my channel and harasses my clients. So my first question is, how can anybody harass your clients when you're the only one who has access to your clients? These people are just like me. They're going to continue to expose you, dude. There's nothing you can do about it. So the comment says, why would I hire a kid who gets on YouTube and lies to people about what he does to do credit repair? I've already reported you to the Federal Trade Commission as well as the FBI. So many people have already done this. Pinnacle Credit Repair, Andre Nguyen, if you're watching this, you're a nobody, you're a small fish. That's why you're not behind bars. Well, that and you're in another country. So just listen to what his response is. Reported what? You're not a client. You have absolutely nothing to complain about. One thing for certain is that your entire YouTube channel is predicated on your own stupidity and lack of intelligence. Keep in mind, I have tons of happy clients, laugh out loud, and your frivolous and erroneous complaints about a business you have absolutely no experience with or any valid complaint would only show your lack of maturity as an adult. So before you go around pointing fingers, calling people a kid, just make sure you take a look in the mirror. You have 3 fingers pointing back at you. Some advice, you're overweight. So the reason I'm bringing this up is because he has called the Attorney General's office in Georgia over 20 times claiming to be a client of mine. So you're not a client of mine. You've never been a client of mine. So you're basically telling this guy, because he's not a client, he can't do this, but you've done it to me over 20 times. That's how desperate you are to shut me down, which is hilarious. But I just noticed something else I wanted to point out. He loves to do this. How's that 9 to 5 working out, bro? And then he posts screenshots of pictures that he found on the internet. And even if this is real, dude, you're stuck in another country. You can never come back to the States. You're stuck. You can come back, but then you're going to go to prison. So we would love for you to come back. That would actually be great. But anyway, I just wanted to point this out. You really want to hire a so-called CEO who this is how he addressed people by calling them fat. You can't get mad at people for exposing you, dude. You scam people. You're going to get exposed. But anyway, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.